हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाके सर. आज आपण या भागामध्ये इयत्ता 9वीतील इंग्लिश विषयातील युनिट 1.5 द नेकलेस या पाठाचा पहिला भाग, या भागातील प्रश्नोत्तरे, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आणि चिटचॅटचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. चिटचॅट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डू यू लाईक ज्वेलरीज अँड ऑर्नामेंट्स? Answer: Yes, I like jewelries and ornaments very much. 2. Do you like to dress up for special occasions? And how do you do that? Answer: Yes, I like to dress up for special occasions like birthday, marriage ceremony, Diwali, Dashahara, Raksha Bandhan, etc. My brothers and sisters help me to dress up in these occasions. Next question. What makes a person happy and confident during special functions and parties? Answer: In my opinion, being involved in the activities of a party and interacting with people make a person happy and confident during special functions and parties. Margin questions. Question number 1. Why was Mathilde married to a minor official? मॅथिल्डेचा विवाह सर्वसामान्य दर्जाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांशी का झाला होता? आन्सर: मॅथिल्डे वॉज मॅरिड टू अ मायनर ऑफिशियल बिकॉज शी वॉज बॉर्न इन अ फॅमिली ऑफ क्लार्क्स अँड देअरफोर बिलॉंग्ड टू अ मिडल क्लास सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसायटी. शी डिड नॉट हॅव एनी मीन्स टू गेट मॅरिड टू अ aristocrat, so she let herself get married to a minor official. Next question. Why did Mathilde weep with misery after visiting her schoolmate? आपल्या वर्गमैत्रिणीला भेटून आल्यानंतर मॅथिल्डे दुःखाने का अश्रू गाळत असे? आन्सर: मॅथिल्डे wept with misery after visiting her schoolmate because she couldn't get the richness and the luxuries of life in which the schoolmate was relishing. She dreamed all these things her friend was enjoying. She herself could not have them because of her destiny. Next question. What did the envelope hold? त्या पाकिटात काय होते? Answer: The envelope held an invitation by the Minister of Education and Madame Georges Ramponneau requesting the company of Mr. and Mrs. Loisel at the ministry on January 18th in the evening. Was the husband a considerate person? How do you know that? तिचा पती इतरांच्या भावनांचा विचार करणारी व्यक्ती होती का, ते तुम्हाला कसे समजते? Answer: Yes, the husband was a considerate person. We know that from his selfless action and kind behavior. He had been saving money for himself so that he could buy a gun for hunting in summer in a country near Nantiri with few friends. But as soon as he saw that his wife was unhappy and wanted to buy a new dress, he used all that money to make her happy and bought her a new dress. Next, why was Mathilde sad, restless, anxious though her dress was ready? मॅथिल्डेचा ड्रेस जरी तयार झाला असला तरी ती दुःखी आणि अविश्रांत का वाटत होती? Answer: Mathilde was sad, restless and anxious though her dress was ready because she had no jewels, not a single stone to wear with the dress. Next question. What did Madame Forestier's large box contain? Madame Forestierच्या त्या मोठ्या पेटीमध्ये काय होते? Answer: Madame Forestier's large box containing some bracelets, a pearl necklace and a black satin box containing a superb diamond necklace. Next question. Which sentences tell us that Mathilde greatly desired the necklace? या पाठातील कोणत्या ओळी मॅथिल्डेला त्या रत्नांची तीव्र अभिलाषा होती हे सांगतात? आन्सर: Her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Her hands trembled as she took it. She stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself in the mirror. These above sentences tells us that Mathilde greatly desired the necklace. या पुढील प्रश्न. Why did Mathilde not notice the loss of her necklace? Answer: Mathilde did not notice the loss of her necklace because she was happy and lost in the glamour of the party. She always wanted to be a part of something that was grand and rich. As she found herself to be the center of attention, she did not realize that the necklace was missing. या पुढील प्रश्न इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. Question 1. Read each of the following sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. A. Look, here's something for you. Answer. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. B. Why the dress you go to the theater in? Answer. Mathilde's husband said to Mathilde. C. I would rather not go to the party. Answer. Mathilde said to her husband. Next. D. Choose my dear. Answer. Madame Forestier said this to Mathilde. E. You have nothing else? Answer. Mathilde said this to Madame Forestier. F. Would you lend me this? Just this? Answer. Mathilde said this to Madame Forestier. And the last one, G. What? How? That's impossible. Answer. Mathilde's husband said this to Mathilde. Next, question number 3. Write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamed about. मॅथिल्डेकडे काय होते आणि ती कशाचं स्वप्न पाहत होती याबद्दल काही ओळी लिहा. आन्सर. मॅथिल्डे लिव्ड इन अ शाबी पुअरली फर्निश्ड हाऊस. शी हॅड प्लेन ड्रेसेस अँड नो ज्वेल्स as it was difficult to afford better things. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms for perfumed afternoons chat with close friends. She wanted to be envied and sought after. Next, question number 4. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. मॅथिल्डेच्या पुढील विचार आणि कृतींविषयी तुम्हाला काय वाटते त्याबद्दल लिहा. ए. मॅथिल्डे वॉज ब्युटिफुल अँड सो शी वॉन्टेड टू मॅरी अन ॲरिस्टोक्रॅट. आन्सर. मॅथिल्डे वॉज नॉट रॉंग टू थिंक सो बिकॉज I think every woman, beautiful or not, wants to be married with a person who has good position and wealth. Next, B. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Answer. Her thinking was not correct. Not everyone gets a luxurious life. She should have managed in whatever they were earning and lived a simple but happy life. Next, C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer. Her feelings are wrong because it depends on the people who live in the house to keep the house clean, tidy and beautiful with whatever furniture things they have got. Next, D. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Answer. Mathilde's thought was wrong because happiness does not depend on making the people envy you. She wished that people would have admired her if she had rich dresses and jewels. Next, E. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer. She did not care about the importance of the invitation. She was thinking only about the dresses she would wear there. Next, F. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Answer. She wanted a new dress for herself only to selfishly corner her husband for extorting money from him to buy a new dress. Her thought was silly and unreasonable. G. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Answer. Apart from borrowing a diamond necklace, she could have used a flowers, but she wanted another woman's necklace to make a show of her beauty. She did not understand the borrowing is begging. H. Mathilde lost the necklace. Answer. Mathilde was so overwhelmed and captivated by her success that she was not aware of her responsibility of safekeeping the borrowed necklace carefully. She lost it only because of her carelessness. यापुढील प्रश्न 5. Prepare a formal invitation using the format given on the textbook page number 27. पुस्तकातील पान नंबर 27 वर दिलेले विहित स्वरूप वापरून एक औपचारिक निमंत्रण पत्रिका तयार करा. उत्तर. इन्व्हिटेशन बाय मिस्टर अँड मिसेस विनीता तंबाके. Request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the 25th wedding anniversary of their parents on Sunday 28th June 2022. Venue. गोविंदश्री फंक्शन हॉल अपोजिट डी मार्ट जुळे सोलापूर. टाईम 7 AM to 10 PM. मित्रांनो, यापुढील दुसरा भाग आणि याची प्रश्नोत्तरे मी दुसऱ्या भागामध्ये दिलेल्या आहेत. आणि आपल्याला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर नक्कीच सबस्क्राईब, शेअर आणि लाईक करायला विसरू नका.